Hi, my name is Danielle Eicher and I am a Client Engagement Manager at Simmons Research. Our team has created a series of short tutorials that will help you navigate through OneView. Today's session will focus on reading a crosstab report. After you have selected your base, column, and rows, click the Run Crosstab button in the upper right corner of your screen. Once the report is run, you will have several options. First, let's remove the total percent metric by unchecking it at the top of the screen. This will allow us to focus on the remaining measurements. Any data point can be removed and added back in the same manner, allowing you to focus on the exact items of interest. Looking at the report, the first measurement listed is sample. This is giving you the number of surveyed respondents who fit the intersection of both the column and the row. In our example, 3,642 of surveyed adults who agree that they often snack between meals eat Rolled Gold brand pretzels most often. The next metric is weighted. This is the projection that represents the actual population and will be shown in thousands. So in our instance, 35,213,000 adults who agree that they often snack between meals eat Rolled Gold brand pretzels most often. Next up is our vertical percent, and this is giving the percentage of the total column group who also fit the criteria in the row. 22% of people who agree that they often snack between meals eat Rolled Gold brand pretzels most often. Horizontal percent is going to change the focus to the total people within the row and then ask if they also fit the column. So in our case, 70.4% of people who eat Rolled Gold brand pretzels most often agreed that they often snack between meals. Finally indexes the likelihood of a target to meet the specified criteria in comparison to the base. 100 will be your average here. Anything greater than 100 indicates the target is more likely than the base to fit that criteria, while anything less than 100 will indicate that the target is less likely than the base to fit the criteria. For our example, people who agree that they often snack between meals are 6% more likely than other adults to eat Rolled Gold brand pretzels most often. Typically, an index between 90 to 110 would be considered flat or average. Anything outside of those markers would be considered significant, while anything less than 80 and greater than 120 would be considered very significant. In addition to this crosstab view, you will also have an option to use the private eye layout. This is generally recommended before export as it will allow you more flexibility within Excel. Private eye moves all of the measurements into separate columns, as you can see here. To export your report, click the Export button, located at the top of the screen. Then select the appropriate format and click Export again. You will then be able to save the report as either an Excel or CSV file. If you have any additional questions regarding crosstab reports or OneView, please contact your Client Engagement Manager.